Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to disable the location in Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now, to disable location in Snapchat or turn off location in Snapchat, first open up a Snapchat app and make sure to log into the account on which you want to turn off or disable the location. And from over here guys, at the bottom left corner of the screen, I repeat bottom left, there is a small map icon just beside the message or the text icon. Tap on it and you will be over here on the location of your Snapchat, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is settings or a gear icon. Tap on it, and if you want to hide your location, you can also choose to hide your live location by tapping on the hide live location and tap on the service you want. Or you can also disable the location by going to the settings of your phone. To do that, open up settings on your phone, and from this interface head to apps, and again tap on the app management at the top of the list. From over here, search for Snapchat, tap on that, and again over here guys, on the second option there is the permissions. Tap on it, and from over here tap on location, and you can see guys, in order to disable it you can tap on the don't allow button available over here, and then the location will be disabled on Snapchat. And there guys, this is how you disable the Snapchat location. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.